Is it time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 20th of February, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Unlock the potential AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 28th of January, 2025, our system has categorized QQQ as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.46. Now let's examine the performance of the exchange-traded fund during this time. The ETF has experienced natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 2.95%. This results in an average return of 0.17% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating the possibility of further increases. The present 3-month trend implies a potential change of approximately 3% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from negative 1.83% to positive 5.46%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 23.42% over the coming year, with potential returns between 12.5% and 24.04%. This suggests a price range between $604.35 and $666.36 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ reveals a weaker technical forecast as the ETF has been downgraded to hold accumulate. The QQQ ETF price experienced a decline of 0.428% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 20th of February, 2025, dropping from $539.52 to $537.21. During this trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 1.25%, ranging from a low of $532.46 to a high of $539.10. Notably, the price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days and has increased by 1.97% over the past 2 weeks. Although volume increased on the last day by 7 million shares, this occurred alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 26 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $13.88 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF reached $540.80, while the lowest price was $413.07. Currently, the price stands 0.66%, or $3.59, below the 52-week high of $540.80, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recent updates highlight the impressive resilience of the QQQ exchange-traded fund, particularly following January's market decline triggered by fears surrounding artificial intelligence competition from China. As of February 2025, QQQ is approaching all-time highs, benefiting from a diversified portfolio that includes leading technology stocks, often referred to as the Magnificent Seven. This continued momentum suggests strong investor confidence, especially as the ETF serves as a preferred option in the burgeoning AI sector, enhancing long-term growth prospects. Moreover, discussions surrounding QQQ's relative performance compared to other funds indicate it not only competes effectively, but in some instances surpasses traditional benchmarks, such as Berkshire Hathaway. This signals a dynamic shift in investment strategy favoring passive exchange-traded funds that yield significant returns in a volatile market environment. In the longer term, while concerns remain regarding inflation and potential geopolitical tensions, QQQ's attractive positioning and lower expense ratios could solidify its stance as a go-to option for both growth and income-oriented investors. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, QQQ's focus aligns with emerging technology trends, making it a compelling choice for sustainable growth, likely contributing to price appreciation in both the short and long run. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at $535.20 and $522.80. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MEMACD. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 19, 2025, and so far, it has declined by 0.428%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased amidst falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 14 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 112 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for the QQQ. The QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $521.74. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund exhibits very controlled movements, and with strong liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated $6.64 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 1.25%. For the past week, the ETF experienced an average daily volatility of 0.94%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate a low expectation for the company's future performance or suggest that the ETF is undervalued, signaling a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $538.17. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at $521.74. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $521.94, reflecting a decline of 2.84%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? QQQ exhibits several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning investors might consider holding or accumulating shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate suggestion. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 21st of February, we anticipate QQQ to open lower by 95 cents, beginning trading at $536.26. It's important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities is advisable. Your investment choices should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decision. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. from all of us at Stock Invest.